How to get heart symbol on iPhone status bar. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on focus. On the focus page, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new focus. Then, select the custom at the very top. Now, enter a name for your focus, then choose an icon and a color to represent it. Tap on Next to continue, and then select Customize Focus to set up your preferences. Once your new focus is created, you can activate it from the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner, then tap and hold on the focus button. From the list, simply tap your newly created focus to turn it on. The icon will now appear in your status bar, indicating that focus is active. Following these steps, you can easily get the heart symbol on iPhone status bar.